Question. Vitiligo has no clear cause and is difficult to treat, so many people suffer from it for a long time. Some say it is related to immunity, and others say it has genetic factors. Could you tell us the cause of this illness and any guidance that may help those who are affected?
Any illness arises when our own inner strength is too weak to overcome the conditions we face. There are two types of immunity. The first is physical immunity, the material aspect. The second is spiritual immunity, a non-physical energy that only human beings possess. Humans carry two forms of energy, the physical body formed from the forces of heaven and earth, and the energy of the soul. Because we hold both, humans are defined by three energies: heaven, earth, and humanity. Ultimately, a person's true immunity comes from the strength of their soul. When the soul's energy is clear and strong, it can overcome any force. This is the greatest ability humans possess. When we say someone's spirit is clear, it does not refer to the brain or intellect. It means the pure essence of the soul, the true spirit, Junction. The very reason we come into this world is to refine and brighten the quality of our soul. Illness works in the same way. If your inner strength is weak, you cannot overcome disease. But when your energy becomes strong, illness cannot take hold. This is why strengthening a person's inner capacity is more important than developing medical treatments. Instead of endlessly advancing medicine, we must learn how to strengthen the quality of our inner energy. When we encounter a new paradigm of truth, accept it, and live joyfully, illness does not arise. Instead of trying to cure an illness after falling sick, we must first strengthen our inner energy. To strengthen ourselves, there is only one path: learning the truth of a new paradigm. The energy of truth carries an immense density. Simply listening to Jungbub brings some improvement, but when you fully accept it, an entirely different level of change occurs. At that moment, powerful effects appear in both the soul and the body. This is the power of truth. When truth permeates your being, you feel moved, your lacking energy becomes replenished, and your face begins to glow. As a result, people begin to see you differently because your energy has improved. In the end, the way to overcome illness is simple: live joyfully and wholeheartedly. If you live in worry and gloom, illness will never leave. Rather than relying on medicine alone, learning truth and living joyfully becomes the greatest healing medicine. When this takes root in your life, most illnesses resolve on their own. Do you understand?
Key teaching points. 1. There are two types of immunity: physical immunity, the material aspect, and spiritual immunity, a non-physical energy that only human beings possess. True immunity comes from the strength of the soul, not just the physical body. 2. If you live in worry and gloom, illness will never leave. To overcome illness, learn to live joyfully and wholeheartedly. 3. When truth takes root in your life, your energy transforms and illnesses begin to resolve on their own.